Hello again, and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today, an easy-peasy Christmas. In the UK, Christmas, of course, is very popular. It's a big family occasion. Christmas Day, the 25th of December, the family sits down to a big Christmas lunch of roast turkey, lots of vegetables. For dessert, Christmas pudding and custard, and also we eat mince pies. We also, before Christmas Day, decorate a Christmas tree. Christmas trees started in England a long time ago. People believe it was started with Queen Victoria and her German husband, Prince Albert, but it started about 50 years before that with King George III and his German wife, Charlotte. That was around 1800. She was from Germany. She loved having a Christmas tree in her house. So when she came to England to marry King George, they started the tradition. Queen Victoria, with Prince Albert, continued that tradition and made it a lot more popular. When they started doing it, everybody in England thought, what a wonderful idea. Let's bring a real tree from outside, from the garden, and bring it into our house and decorate it. So, today, easy-peasy English Christmas tree. Okay. When I was a child, about 100 years ago, Christmas trees were quite small, no more than 1 metre tall. They were put on a table in the lounge and decorated with maybe some shiny balls, some candles perhaps, and Christmas presents, small presents, were put on the branches of the tree and then given out to members of the family later in the day. As years went by, the Christmas trees got bigger and bigger and bigger, taller and taller, and the Christmas presents were put underneath the tree, again to be given out later in the day. On the top of the tree, it was common to have a small angel. When I was little, it was a fairy, a little pretty dress, sparkly dress. A fairy was put on top of the Christmas tree. That name changed later to become an angel. Some people put a star on top of the tree. Traditionally now, more people are using stars than angels or fairies. So, when you finish decorating the tree, you put your star or your angel on the top. And the tree is complete. Happy Christmas. Shall we turn the lights out?
Yes, please.
Okay.